Android open source project, yeah, AOSP. There are many ROMs out there today based upon AOSP, but AOSP extended or AEX stands unique from any other builds out there. Even me, as well as many other users, love this ROM just because of its out of the box performance and stability. This ROM can go neck to neck with many other gaming builds. Even after being a daily driver, maintainer of this build is Shivateja, the dude behind popular builds like OOS, CafeX and more. So welcome back to Rooms for You and let's look at latest AEX 8.4 running on Xiaomi POCO F1. Before getting started, check out my channel for knowing more taste of my work and subscribe if you like them. To begin with, let's quickly talk about phone session. Yes, the ROM is based upon Android 11 and running latest AEX 8.4 official build. The ROM does got latest security patch from 5th July 2021 and the kernel they are using is Shiva no-name kernel. The SE Linux is also by default enforcing. Moving forward under security session, the ROM does includes fingerprint, face unlock and more. Fingerprint here is faster. IR face unlock does its job. Both are not the fastest around, neither the slowest. The ROM is not encrypted out of the box, but if you want, you can encrypt it manually. The ROM does support tap to wake, tap to sleep, which you can set it up under display settings. The notch settings is missing from here, but you will be getting the same under extensions option. After hiding the notch, corners are not rounded. I did felt the ROM did become more smooth in terms of UI comparing with previous build. The extensions includes many more customizations towards UI, as same as previous build. You won't be able to noticing much of changes here. When it comes to MI extras, the ROM does includes all thermal switching features here. You can select system-wide thermals or per app thermals from here, which is something you won't be seeing with many other ROMs. Moving forward, the QS panel includes screen recorder, FPS info as well. Screen recorder here is capable of recording internal audio and microphone at a time, and FPS info does its job. Recent menu includes screenshot, select and swiping from left to right, clear all option as well. All does their job well. Out of the box, the ROM does passes Saftynet checks and the device is also Google Play Protect certified. After selecting performance thermals, the Antutu scores 3,68,000 plus and Geekbench scores for single core 502 and multi-core 2085, which are pretty decent scores for Snapdragon 845. To understand more about performance, I am adding CPU throttling test. Yes, if you see closely, the ROM was able to keep up the graphs always in green and resulted an average value of 2,08,000 plus, which are another great scores. Now that the CPU throttling test is over, let's do a gaming test. Meantime the gaming is going on, let's conclude the video. When talking about temperature, after an hour of gaming and benchmarking, in total of 2 hours of usage, the phone was heated up to 50 degrees Celsius without any cooling methods. I was getting more than 7 hours of screen on time with average gaming, which is something great. Gaming experience also was great in this build. The ROM was able to keep up FPS always near to 60. There is no touch lags or jitters noticed while gaming. Saftynet passes, Google Play protection is present, decent heating management, smooth UI near to stock experience, almost zero bug. Overall a great build for gaming as well as daily driver. If you love to experience AOSP bloat free experience, this build is must try one. From AOSP family, only one ROM that can consider neck to neck with this ROM is Cafe X, which is an younger brother of this AEX from same developer. So that's it guys. This is my impression on AEX 8.4 official build. Hope this video was helpful to you. Like and shares are always appreciated. Subscribe if you are new here. Keep on watching the gameplay with FPS. I'll catch you in next one.